What's up, boat lovers? We got a little wig going on over here and a little shag, but I might clean up a little bit. But listen, we're working on 92 Ferretti, and we're going to be taking care of his 100 amp shore power cables. He's having issues with the cables coming in, and we suspect that it's the in-limit switches. So we're going to show you how we do this. Alright guys, we're in the engine room over here on the port side, and you can see it's pretty spacious over here. So we're towards the back side, and here is our two 100 amp shore power units. So this is not that hard to get to, but you have to crawl around a few things. So I'm going to show you. This portion here is our in-limit switch. So we're going to take this one off. We could take it off from here, and then we go to this side. I'm sorry for the clumsiness. And then we're going to go and we're going to get to that one. So all we have to do is just remove that one, well, both of them, take them out, replace them, and that's it. There's no calibration whatsoever. And that's the control box where everything sits inside. So we're gonna go ahead and remove these two. Well guys, have you seen a stuffed sardine? This one's a big sardine. So it's the only way to get to it. Alright, so Julian got this out. So now we have the unit out over here. It sits over here, and it's gonna go directly right into this portion over here and into the in-limit switch here. So you have two of them. They're both labeled as in, and all it does is close the circuit. So if this by any chance goes bad and you need to have the cable come in, all you have to do is just put a jumper from here to here temporarily until you get the switch replaced. But all you're doing is just closing this contact here that says in-limit switch. So we have one here and one here that we need to replace. So it already comes with a long enough lanyard on the new one, so he's going to go ahead and put that one in while I take this one out and get ready for the new wiring to come back in here. All right, Julian already got this side in. See, it's a quick fix. Just two Allen screws. The thing goes into that sleeve right there, that little slot, and you just run your wires back over here on this side. Of course, we're going to clean up all these wires because we have to do the other side. So. But this is the old one that comes out, and you can actually see this is a little weather beaten. So this is the original one, and it is spring loaded. Okay, so this one is fine, but the other one is stuck. So just to be on the precautionary side, we're going to replace them both. It's long enough, and like I said, you just on the in limit right here, just loosen this. It doesn't matter where the red or the black goes, but if you're in a pinch and you don't have one of these and you need to come back in and that switch is bad, all you have to do is just jumper these two together just so that the cable could come in. And also you could do the same thing with the out limit switch, which is right here. Okay, so you do want to have the limit switches here, otherwise the system will not shut off, and you could do a lot of damage to the cord. The system will stay running. So when the system comes in or when it goes out, it automatically auto stops at its limits. So by jumpering these two, you're actually bypassing it, but this is only for an emergency use to do that. Please do not leave it bypassed, otherwise you're gonna have issues. I know you guys are gonna ask why is he laying down. Yeah. when you lose a tool or drop it, it's somewhat lost forever. Yeah. And I had to go look for it.
Where was it? Where was it?
Here.
Where was it? Well, where was it?
All the way. The bilge monster ate it. All right. As easy as they came out, yeah, right. They went back in. So we got the new ones installed. So now we're gonna go on the hose pipe on the outside. I'm gonna show you. We got our cover back together. Like I said, not all of them will have an enclosure like this. It'll probably be open, but you have an in and an out. And that is the out limit switch. And on this one here, those are the in limit switches. So now we're gonna just go ahead and turn on the system and see if they work. All right, guys, this is the location where the 200 amp shore power cables or the 100 watt amp each. Now, if you notice, these are the out limit switches right here. They're supposed to be spring loaded. So you push it back, it shuts it off. Let it go, it comes back in. What that does is it hits this portion of it, and when it goes in, it shuts it off. So right now, if we pull it out, it goes out. We bring it back in. Make sure it doesn't bind. And you bring it in. See? Shuts off. Now you come out. Doesn't bind. Come back in. It shuts off. So that one works. Now we're going to try this one. So we're going to go out. Okay. Go out. Now we're going to go in. If I push this, it shuts it off. So we know that both of them are working. So this is correct. Well, guys, this is a wrap on this 92 2018. So we were able to get the customer situated with this, and like I said, happy captain, happy life. But also, if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments below. And like always, guys, like and subscribe.